Introducing Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell brings convenience, monitoring, and security to your most valuable asset, your home. Ring streams HD video and audio seamlessly over wireless internet to smartphone and tablet. Rings makes it convenient to see and speak with whoever in front of your door, anytime from anywhere.
Hi, miss.
Hi.
Your delivery.
Okay, thanks. You can put down there.
Alright.
A Ring configurable motion detection makes it easier than ever to monitor your home. With Ring unique cloud recording feature, you can easily access, rewind or share your video at once. And when it comes to security, Ring lets you set the appearance of being home even when you're not. Home burglary are worldwide epidemic. Traditional security system let you know after someone has entered your home. And most home burglars start with a simple Ring doorbell to see if anyone home. Ring help families secure their home from unwanted visitor and discourage burglar from entering. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide array of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home personality. The doorbell 180-degree camera lets you monitor more than just your doorstep during the day or at night. And you can easily customize Ring motion detection sensor through Ring app to exclude area like busy nearby sidewalk and road, so you can only get notified when it matters. Also, the new feature of Ring heat soil system, which is also waterproof. The main purpose is to help to reduce electricity consumption, thus saving your monthly cost bill. Able and disable motion. We acknowledge that certain people don't want to be disturbed by notification when they are in home, so we create the able and disable to the Ring so you don't have to mute your phone. It's easy to install the Ring Video Doorbell with the including mapping hardware. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Rings a minute. Simply attach the included mounting bracket to a flat surface, then place Ring on the bracket and secure Ring with the proprietary security screw that prevents touch. Should someone steal your doorbell, we will even replace it for free. With dual power option, you can power Ring with a built-in rechargeable battery, good for over 12 months for regular year, or hardwire Ring to your existing doorbell. With convenient 24/7 home monitoring and a peace of mind of added security, Ring family is always home. Order your Ring Video Doorbell today at Ring.